I can't believe I ended up getting these shits. Today we actually have a pretty good video for y'all. We're gonna go over the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds for the last time before we try to go for them. I'll give some of my tips on how to cop them. I'm also gonna show a live cop for the Maniere 4s and some Jordans I hit on Sneakers app recently. So buckle up and leave a like on this video if you do end up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. While you're at it, go ahead and check out 1.nori on Instagram. That's my brand's Instagram. We're like at 130 something. Shout out to each and every one of y'all who went over there and showed some love. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So let's start off with the fact that on November 19th, we're finally gonna see the sneaker of the year release. At least in my opinion, these lost and found ones have been everywhere recently. There's a lot of early reviews, a lot of shit going on, but don't let that stop you from trying to get these shits because they're beautiful, whether there's a million pairs or not, you feel me? There's literally a plethora of websites these shits are gonna release. There's a bunch of raffles you guys can enter to boost your chances as well. I low-key entered like 10 different raffles and I'm hoping I can hit on these shits. Resale for my size is currently at around $350, which isn't too steep considering that it's a Chicago Jordan 1 and all the extra little spice that they added to it. This morning I was sick because while I was driving to work just cruising, my email was being hit up letting me know that there was exclusive access for me to get them from JD Sports, and unfortunately by the time I saw the email it was a little bit too late. I saw the email 20 minutes late and that was the reason why I took an L on that, but I'm not gonna let that discourage me, you feel me? Let me know if you guys hit on the exclusive access. Also let me know if you decided to go for Supreme this morning. Low-key that shit was in the back of my mind, like I ain't even tried to go on the website for Supreme this morning. But yeah, for these lost and founds, there's hella raffles going on right now. Make sure you don't sleep on that shit. Also on Saturday morning, Sneakers app is another chance to get these shits. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad if I ended up with a couple pairs of these. That way I could beat the out of one pair and just keep one on ice for a minute. But let me know if y'all gonna go for these shits. I'm gonna get into the live cops in a second, but I do want to say if you guys are trying to boost your chances on these lost and found Jordan 1s, Addict is gonna be restocking tomorrow at 4 p.m. Pacific. This drop is one of the most hyped for the year, and with Addict you could cop on 100+ sites, so it's gonna boost your chances for sure. They have a raffle list on there for the Jordan 1s. That way you enter all the raffles. They offer monitors, custom push notifications, intensive guides for these drops. Those are all things that can help you secure a pair, possibly make some good resale on these if that's what you're into, or hit the toe with these shits. With Addict, it's a one-time fee. You can split using Sezzle with no renewal fees. So if you guys are interested in Addict's restock, make sure you click the link at the top of the description and sign up for their newsletter. But let's go ahead and get into these live cops. So right around 11 a.m., I went on the Maniere website and the shits dropped. I'm like, yo, instant 10.5, add to cart, answer the question. It was November or some shit. I'm trying to check out and it was giving me like this little error. So I'm like, yo, hold up. I put the votes in for the captcha, verify, I hit submit, but then it got me that little problem error. I refreshed and it put me back in. Now I'm waiting and shit, bro. Low key, the wait time was like 20 minutes. I was sick. I'm gonna speed this process up obviously because y'all not about to wait 20 minutes with me, but shit got sold out, so I was sick. The 10.5 was gone. I added a 7 to cart. I'm like, all right, bro, this shit gotta let me through. I start processing, calculating taxes, adding my card and shit, you feel me? And it's processing for a size 7. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I ended up getting the size 7 for retail. It was like $240. I know right now a size 7 is reselling for like $440 or some shit like that, so it's still a W. And I low-key hit up my people near me and they said that I could swap them for like $75. Still a dub, bro. No problem in my pockets. If I could get these shits for a total of $330, it's a blessing, you feel me? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened. But aside of that, the Jordan 11 cherries had a shock drop a couple days ago. I ended up trying to go for those too, bro. I went for like a size 10, start adding all my information quickly because I know what shock drops be doing. And low-key, I'm in line for them shits too, bro. Yes, sir. We trying to get the cherry 11s. Let me get those, bro. Low-key, if I could get the holiday 11s early, I'll take it. And guess what? That's exactly what happened, folks. I got the Gotham screen for the 11 cherries. So now we on a roll. The last sneaker I need is those lost and founds. And I promise you I'm about to get them shits. One way or the other, they coming home with me. Yes, sir. Luck is on a roll for me right now. I ended up hitting on these two. I know that these are getting mixed reviews from people, but for me, I used to love the cherry 11 lows. So the fact that they brought them back in a high and I was able to hit before the actual release, review coming soon, bro. Fuck it. But yeah, man, it was a pretty eventful day in my opinion, or past couple days. I know that I didn't get my size for the Maniere, but at the end of the day, at least we got them, bro. Let me know in the comments if y'all ended up going for them. Did you end up hitting? Did you get your size? You feel me? All that information, let me know in the comments. Also, if you got the cherry 11 shock drop a couple days ago, comment down below. But I'm wishing y'all the best of luck on these Jordan 1 lost and founds. Hopefully you're able to hit. Hopefully I'm able to hit. And shit, a lot more content coming. So leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Go ahead and check out 1.nori on Instagram if you're trying to follow into my brand. I promise y'all some news is coming soon, bro. Sooner than soon, bro. So stay tuned. And with all that being said, I hope y'all had a great rest of your day. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.